Have you ever felt there's more to life than what meets the eye? Have you ever sensed an inner calling, a feeling that there's a deeper meaning to your existence? If so, you're not alone. Many people experience these feelings, and they can be the first signs of a spiritual awakening. In this video, we will guide you through the basics of spiritual awakening, helping you understand what it is, why it happens, and how you can navigate this profound shift in your life. Let's explore this beautiful path together and uncover the depths of your inner self. Spiritual awakening is a term that describes a process where an individual becomes more aware of their spiritual nature. This awakening often begins with a sense that something is missing in life, or that there is more to reality than the material world. It can be triggered by various events, such as a personal crisis, a significant change, or even a spontaneous realization. During a spiritual awakening, you might start questioning your beliefs, values, and the meaning of life. This process can lead to a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. It's like waking up from a dream and seeing everything with new eyes. You become more conscious of your thoughts, emotions, and actions, and you start to recognize the interconnectedness of all things. Spiritual awakening is not a one-time event, but an ongoing process of growth and transformation. It can be challenging and confusing, but it is also incredibly rewarding. As you awaken, you may experience moments of clarity and insight, as well as periods of uncertainty and doubt. It's important to be patient with yourself and trust that you are on the right path. Awareness is a key aspect of spiritual awakening. It involves becoming more conscious of your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, and understanding how they influence your life. When you are aware, you can observe your inner experiences without judgment and gain a deeper understanding of yourself. One of the first steps in developing awareness is to pay attention to your thoughts. Our minds are constantly busy, filled with worries, plans, and distractions. By practicing mindfulness, you can learn to quiet your mind and focus on the present moment. Mindfulness involves paying attention to your thoughts and feelings without getting caught up in them. It allows you to observe your inner world with curiosity and compassion. Another important aspect of awareness is emotional intelligence. This means recognizing and understanding your emotions and the emotions of others. By becoming more aware of your emotions, you can respond to situations more effectively and build healthier relationships. Limiting beliefs are thoughts or ideas that hold you back from reaching your full potential. These beliefs are often formed in childhood and can be influenced by family, culture, and personal experiences. They can create a negative self-image and prevent you from pursuing your dreams. To identify your limiting beliefs, start by paying attention to your self-talk. Notice the thoughts that arise when you face challenges or setbacks. Common limiting beliefs include thoughts like, "I'm not good enough," "I don't deserve success," or "I can't change." These beliefs can be deeply ingrained and may take time to uncover. Once you have identified your limiting beliefs, you can begin to challenge them. Ask yourself if these beliefs are really true and look for evidence to the contrary. For example, if you believe that you are not good enough, think about your accomplishments and strengths. Remind yourself that everyone has unique talents and abilities, and that you are capable of achieving your goals. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for spiritual awakening. It involves paying attention to the present moment with an open and non-judgmental attitude. By practicing mindfulness, you can develop greater awareness and connect with your inner self. One of the simplest ways to practice mindfulness is through mindful breathing. Take a few moments each day to focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath. This practice can help you develop a sense of calm and presence. Another way to practice mindfulness is through mindful observation. Choose an object, such as a flower or a piece of fruit, and take a few minutes to observe it closely. Notice its color, texture, and shape. This practice can help you appreciate the beauty of the present moment and develop a deeper connection with your surroundings. Meditation is a practice that involves focusing the mind and calming the body. It can be a powerful tool for spiritual growth and awakening. By meditating regularly, you can develop greater awareness, reduce stress, and connect with your inner self. There are many different types of meditation, but one of the simplest forms is breath meditation. To practice breath meditation, find a quiet place where you can sit comfortably. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, then focus your attention on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Another form of meditation is guided meditation. In guided meditation, you listen to a recorded meditation or follow the instructions of a meditation teacher. This can be helpful for beginners, as it provides structure and guidance. Guided meditations can focus on various themes, such as relaxation, healing, or spiritual awakening. Connecting with your inner self is an essential part of spiritual awakening. This involves exploring your thoughts, feelings, and desires, and understanding what truly matters to you. By connecting with your inner self, you can live a more authentic and fulfilling life. One way to connect with your inner self is through journaling. Set aside some time each day to write about your thoughts and feelings. Use your journal to explore your inner world and gain insight into your experiences. You can also use journaling to set goals and track your progress. Another way to connect with your inner self is through quiet contemplation. Find a quiet place where you can sit undisturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Allow your mind to settle and focus on your inner experiences. Notice any thoughts or feelings that arise and observe them without judgment. This practice can help you develop a deeper understanding of yourself and your true desires. Positive affirmations are powerful statements that can help you reprogram your subconscious mind and cultivate a positive mindset. By repeating affirmations regularly, you can shift your thoughts and beliefs and create a more empowering reality. To create effective affirmations, choose statements that resonate with you and reflect your goals and values. For example, if you want to develop greater self-confidence, you might use affirmations like, "I am confident and capable," "I trust myself," or "I believe in my abilities." Repeat these affirmations daily, either silently or out loud, and visualize yourself embodying these qualities. Affirmations can also be used to cultivate gratitude and positivity. For example, you might use affirmations like, "I am grateful for my life," "I am surrounded by love and support," or "I choose to see the good in every situation." By focusing on positive thoughts, you can shift your mindset and attract more positive experiences into your life. Gratitude is a powerful practice that can transform your perspective and enhance your spiritual awakening. By cultivating gratitude, you can develop a positive mindset, increase your well-being, and deepen your connection with the world around you. One of the simplest ways to practice gratitude is to keep a gratitude journal. Each day, Write down 3 things you are grateful for. These can be simple things, like a warm cup of tea, a kind gesture from a friend, or a beautiful sunset. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life, you can shift your attention away from negativity and develop a more optimistic outlook. Another way to practice gratitude is to express appreciation to others. Take time to thank the people in your life who have supported and inspired you. This can be done through a heartfelt conversation, a handwritten note, or a small act of kindness. By expressing gratitude, you can strengthen your relationships and create a ripple effect of positivity. Seeking guidance and community is an important part of spiritual awakening. By connecting with others who share your interests and values, you can find support, inspiration, and encouragement on your spiritual path. One way to find guidance is to seek out spiritual teachers or mentors. These individuals can offer wisdom, insight, and practical advice to help you navigate your spiritual awakening. Look for teachers or mentors who resonate with you and whose teachings align with your values. Another way to find community is to join a spiritual group or organization. This could be a meditation group, a yoga class, a book club, or an online community. By connecting with like-minded individuals, you can share your experiences, learn from others, and find a sense of belonging. Change is an inevitable part of spiritual awakening. As you grow and evolve, you may find that your beliefs, values, and priorities shift. This can be challenging, but it is also an opportunity for growth and transformation. One way to navigate change is to cultivate flexibility and adaptability. Be open to new ideas and experiences, and be willing to let go of what no longer serves you. Trust that the changes you are experiencing are leading you toward a more authentic and fulfilling life. Another way to navigate change is to practice self-compassion. Be kind and gentle with yourself as you navigate the ups and downs of spiritual awakening. Remember that it is a process, and it is okay to take things one step at a time. Spiritual awakening is a profound and transformative process that can lead to greater self-awareness, inner peace, and fulfillment. By understanding the basics of spiritual awakening and incorporating practices like mindfulness, meditation, positive affirmations, and gratitude into your daily life, you can navigate this journey with confidence and curiosity. Remember that spiritual awakening is a unique and personal experience. Trust your intuition, seek guidance and support when needed, and embrace the changes that come your way. You are on a beautiful path of growth and discovery, and every step you take brings you closer to your true self. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of spiritual awakening for beginners. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and practical tools to support your spiritual growth. Remember, your spiritual journey is unique and beautiful. Trust the process and enjoy every moment of growth and discovery.